You know what this is? This is a B15 SE-R upper mesh grill. And this is the lower grill. These are both brand new. Last one's in existence. Found these a while ago. Part number on this upper one is 62310 4Zebra 500. And on the lower one, it's 62310 4Z 600. Now, this is the only set that I'm aware of anywhere in the United States. Factory OEM from Nissan. Snagged the last ones. I think probably the best thing about, getting some of these older parts is they've been around the block a couple times. This one in particular, the upper one, I mean, you can see this box looks like it's been through heck and back. There's an inventory tag on here where a dealer counted their inventory and the inventory company marked it, made sure they knew they counted it. There's a special order tag on here from some dealer in 2013. And there's just tape, tape on tape on tape. And, somebody probably ordered this in for a body shop or something and they probably backed out. But if you got a B15 SE-R, I think, that front grille is, it's a big difference, a differentiator from the non-SE-R models. And I think when that B15 came out, Nissan had a bunch of really cool ads for that car, and that grille really stood out. And I think that's a really nice design. So if you got one of these, it's all busted up, the coating on the mesh itself is all messed up. We got this in stock. We've only got one. Head to the description. I'll leave a link there. Thanks for checking out the video. Consider subscribing. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. What do we need to find for you? All right. Take care, guys.